Lesson number 1, don't just do your job, understand the business. Alam mo ba yung difference between an average employee at saka isang future senior leader in an organization? Hindi lang sila magaling dun sa trabaho nila, naintindihan nila kung paano umiikot yung buong negosyo ng kanilang kumpanya. Ito yan. Hindi sapat kasi na alam mo lang yung key result areas mo, yung KPIs mo. You have to know how your department contributes to organizational performance, yung company bottom line. Alam mo kung paano siya kumikita, at alam mo kung ano yung strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats na na-experience ng kumpanya. Ayan. So, kung gusto mong umakyat sa senior role, you need to think like the owner. So, instead of just finishing your to-do list, ask yourself, how does this task affect our customers, our revenue, or our future growth? Dapat maintindihan mo yan. Yan ang mindset shift ng isang future leader. So, don't just be busy, be business savvy. So, kung gusto mong matuto about this, start talking to people outside of your team. Tanungin mo sila about how they understand the business and what concerns them and what needs to improve in the business. Tandaan mo, ito ay 10 lessons at pag nabuo mo to, ay makakakuha ka ng template kung paano mo tatahakin yung iyong journey from where you are now and to where you want to be in the organization.